Hi students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss hybrid cloud model. In general terms, we know the meaning of hybrid. It is a combination of two or more things, right? So in case of hybrid cloud model, it is the combination of public plus private cloud. So as we all know, non-critical activities are performed with the help of public cloud, and some critical activities are performed with the help of private cloud, right? So this is a combination of both type of clouds, right? For example, there is an organization and this organization uses their private cloud. Every time they use their private cloud, but in some cases they just need any software. So they will access this software with the help of public cloud. There is a public cloud and there are so many services. So this organization do only this thing, right? This organization uses the software from public cloud and other services with their own private cloud. So this is how hybrid cloud works, right? So using this hybrid cloud, there are some advantages and some disadvantages. First advantage is that it is very secure. The private cloud in the hybrid cloud ensures the high degree of security because of private cloud, right? The next advantage is cost efficiency. Cost efficiency means public clouds are more cost effective than private cloud. Public are effective but private are very costly, right? Therefore hybrid clouds are cost saving. The third advantage is flexibility. Flexibility is because it offers secure resources and scalable public resources, right? This is taken under flexibility. The next advantage we have is scalability. As we all know the meaning of scalability, that means it offers some features of both public and private cloud. So scalability is the feature of public and private. So these are the advantages of using hybrid cloud model. Now we will discuss some disadvantages. The first disadvantage we have is networking issues. As we all know, networking becomes very complex. In this type, networking becomes very complex due to presence of private and public cloud. If we are using both private and public cloud in this hybrid cloud, then definitely a network issue will occur. The second disadvantage we have is security compliances. It is necessary to ensure that cloud services are compliant with security policies of the organization. It should follow all the security policies, right? The third disadvantage is infrastructure dependency. Because we are also using private cloud, so in case of hybrid cloud model, it is dependent on internal IT infrastructure, dependent on internal organizations IT infrastructure. Therefore it is necessary to ensure redundancy across data centers. So this is the major advantage. This is the disadvantage of using hybrid cloud, right? So this is all about hybrid cloud model. Thank you so much for watching this video.